To the next video. In today's video I will show you how you can adjust volume by creating an Android plugin in Godot Game Engine. So yeah, let's get started. Unfortunately I won't be able to show you the output, but trust me, it works. Like once you create like I have created two methods, so I have two buttons. Once you click on the increase volume button, it increases the volume of your device, and if you click on decrease, it decreases the volume. So yeah, let's get started. So first, here you will have to create an Android project using Android Studio. It can be an MTViews project or a Jetpack Compose project, doesn't really matter. Once you do that, just go to the Android drop down, and here you have to right click, new module, my Android library. You can give it a name whatever you feel like, and change the package name to whatever you feel like, and click on finish. I have already created it, so won't create it again. And here firstly, inside my build.gradle.kts of my library, I will add this Godot dependency. So I am using Godot 4.2.1 at the time of this recording, but you can use whatever you feel, but you can use like whatever version of Godot you are using. If you want to check the latest version, you can go to Maven Central for that. And once you add this bit of code, just click on sync now at the top. Once you do that, inside your library you can add this Godot Android plugin, which extends from Godot plugin, and the name is which I have given is is my plugin. And here I have created our audio manager, and once the Godot setup is completed, I am initializing our audio manager. Then I have created two methods, one for adjusting the volume up as well as one for adjusting the volume down. So this will update your volume, this will increase your volume, and this will decrease your volume. Once that is done, just go to your Android manifest.xml, and here I have copy pasted everything from the documentation. Only thing which you will have to change is this is your package name. So in case you forgot, this is your package name, and this is your plugin name. So whatever plugin name you have given it over here, make sure you remember this plugin name, because we will be using this in a lot other places as well. Next, go to project drop down, and inside your library create a folder called export scripts template. Inside that, create a file called export_plugin.gd, and I have copy pasted it from the documentation itself, this entire bit of code. Only thing which you will have to change is this name to whatever is your plugin name. Everything else will remain the same. Next, create a plugin.cfg file. Again, I have copy pasted it from docs. Everything will remain the same. Only you will have to change the plugin name over here, change description and author to whatever you feel like. Once you do this, you will have to open your terminal, cd to your Android project, not to your Android library, and then you will have to run this code. So this will generate two AAR files for you. So I'll show you where those files are generated. Go to your Android project, go to your library, build, outputs, AAR, and here you should see two AAR files. I have already copied those files to my Godot project, that's why you are not seeing it over here. Next, just create a simple Godot project. Inside that, create a folder called add-ons. Inside that, create a folder with your plugin name, and inside that, create a folder called bin, and inside that, create two folders, debug and release. Now you will have to copy the debug AR file to the debug folder and release AR file to the release folder. You will have to change the plugin name as well. So if you see over here, the file name, I have changed it to whatever is your plugin name -debug.ar. Similarly for release folder as well, whatever is your plugin name -release.ar. Once you do that, you will if you remember, we had created these two files, plugin.cfg and export plugin.gd. You also have to copy these two files over here as well. Next, go to your Godot project, click on project, install Android build template. I have already done that. Then click export, click add Android. At the bottom you might be seeing a fix import button, just click on it. Then check this checkbox of use Gradle build, and inside the architecture you can select whatever architecture your Android device is running on. If you don't know, just select all four of this architecture. Then go to project settings, go to plugins, check this checkbox as well. And once you do that, inside my UI I have just taken a center container, a vbox container, and two buttons. And here you can see I have attached one script as well to our node 2D, and this should be your plugin name. Inside ready, I am just initializing our plugin, and on first button pressed, if the Android plugin is initialized, I am calling increase volume, and on second button pressed, I'm just calling decrease volume as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.